everyone. I had a large order yesterday for lots of beads and other supplies, and I thought I would make some bracelets to show you what they look like. So I'm going to use the 17cm one, which will be about 7 inches. And we just simply, I'm using a bracelet board. Just put them around the outside. And 17 is just under the 7 inches. Let's get that one in there. So as you can see there, it pushes them out a little bit, so that will be my 7 inches. Let's take my ruler, and I'm using 1mm elastic, so it's nice and strong. This was also added to the website that came in yesterday, and I'm going to measure 12 inches and snip, and I'm just going to put the bead clip on the end, and then just start threading the beads. I love the patterns on these. So nice. Each one is different. I think these have a 1.5mm hole, which allows them to take a strong elastic. If you do have thinner elastic, I would recommend the double thread method. If you're not sure what that is, just do a search in my videos and it will show you. That's what it's looking like so far. These would be lovely with some like shell charms, like beach jewellery. Due to the colours. I think next time I'll get some 10mm beads. I have some at the moment, but they're acrylic. And I've made my Christmas pearl bead mix this morning. So that's going to be listed and photographed this afternoon. And then I'm also doing a Christmas bead soup, just like the Halloween bead soup. Almost reminds me of the planets. I think, yeah, you can really make lots of different jewellery with these. Let's give them a stretch. Tie it once. Then we're going to go through twice, pull, then we're going to go this way, back around. There we go. And I always do one for luck. If you want to put a bit of glue on the end, you can. I'm not going to. Okay, so that's that one done. Next we have these. Are lovely. They're like a brown and grey, all different colours. So we'll cut another piece of elastic, 12 inches. We'll just attach the clip to the end. Just pop that one there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the beginner. And if you want to have a look at my website, which has handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies, where you'll find all the beads that I use, it's www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and handmade jewellery has free postage within the UK. And if you've spotted this one, this is the ladder stitch pony bead bracelet. There's also a tutorial for that one. That was quite fun to make. And we snip those off. There's that one. Next, I'm going to use the lovely vibrant pink draw bench beads. I love these beads, blue and green. I'm working on a tutorial at the moment with key rings, just something a little bit different for me, and macrame. So I've been practicing. So I think that will be the next tutorial that I'll do. I've also got some clay, and I've never worked with clay before, and I'm gonna have a go at making some earrings. So that's another tutorial. Those are together. Let's separate those. They separate fine. It's no problem. So what projects have you working on? If you're working on any at all, let me know in the comments below. I've actually got lots of seed beads on order because I want to have a go. I also want to do some beading tutorials. And I'm a bit low on colours, so much planned. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. They're all easy tutorials. And again, one for luck. Cut that one off. So there are those bracelets with the beads from yesterday. So take care, thank you for watching, and happy crafting. Bye.